Hey guys, I'm Yene and today we're gonna trace this girl. So I'm gonna change the color and lock my first layer and open a new one. If you want more details about how to use the tools in Procreate, be sure to check my links in the description below. Now I'm gonna use the studio pen of the brush inking and let's trace the contour of her hair. Resize the brush first. Trace the contour of her hair. I'm gonna spend a lot of time on the hair today because I want to show you what kind of brush I use to do the hair. I'm gonna use in a bit the soft airbrush or the brush airbrushing. I open a new layer. I'm gonna rename it Hair Details. I press on the hair, as you can see, to select the color. So you're not gonna see very well what I'm doing, but I'm gonna show you in a bit. When you look the hair, you can see some lines, so I'm trying to trace those lines. This is what I was doing, guys. You don't see it, but I'm gonna go back on the layer hair and fill the hair. If you like this video so far, please put a thumbs up and subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Support my channel. Thank you. I'm going back on the hair details layer to trace the other part of the hair I didn't trace yet. Mask the real picture. You're gonna see what I did. I'm gonna fill all of this. I'm gonna add more colors. Check on your left. I'm gonna reduce the opacity. I'm tracing some lines inside the hair. Press to select the color I want. And I select the hand near the brush. Select painting round brush. This tool helped me to blend all the colors. It's just a big mess, so you can see, guys. I'm gonna do lightly the same process on all the lines I did on the hair. This part is optional. I want to add a new layer. I want to trace some black lines between what I did. I think it's better like this. I'm adding some hair over there. Time to rename the layers 4 and 5. And after that, I'm gonna open a new layer. Top, and then I'm gonna move it to the bottom. It's so funny. Yep, the top need to be under the hair, so I change the brush to inking before to trace the top. The top is done, so I can add the color. And now I'm gonna unmask the other layers so you can see what I did. Oh yes. Let's do the rest. I'm gonna do the same pattern I traced and after I put the colors. If you're working with a lot of Afro design, please check my website. The link is in the description below. I also have an Etsy shop, so you can check it. There is some mini bundle at a really friendly price. Check out the hands, guys. Open a new layer for the belly. This is the easiest part. Guess what? The layer 10 will be the jeans. Are you ready? I'm gonna trace it in so many parts, guys. You're not gonna believe it. Trace the contour of the jeans. Retrace the part of the hands. open a new layer for the details, the pocket and other things. I love to separate them because when I put the colors, I want to be free to move the layers around. A tips for you, always close your shape. It will be better later when you put the colors. After the lines, I change the opacity to add more colors. I just follow the shade I can see on the jeans, so it's really up to you. You don't have to do this. I just want it to be like a real jean, or kind of real jean. I'm gonna go back on the layer where I trace the contour and add some colors. You can see that the details are quite raw, so I'm gonna click on the hand near the brush. It's time to blend the colors together, so it's gonna appear more natural. I will try to. I always resize the brush on the left and also the opacity. It depends of what I want or what I see on the drawing. It's really optional. It depends of what you want. I don't know if you noticed that I changed the color to a bit darker, so I can do some kind of light grades on the lighter colors. I want to blend again the colors on the top of the jeans, so I'm gonna use the same tool, the hand near the brush. Oh yeah, I tried to fill it automatically, but it didn't work, so I retraced the contour before to add the color. It's time to put the colors on the belly and also everywhere else. I didn't trace yet the face. I'm gonna do it later. So if you're used to watch my videos, you know that I always start with the hair and after the face and after everything else. But this time I try to change my pattern. So at the end you will see how I did the face. Surprise, surprise, don't miss it, because I added some new things on my brushes. Yeah, you will see what I did. So stay tuned and don't forget to like my video, to comment, to share. Sharing is caring. I'm trying to put some shade of the hand, so I'm using the airbrushing brush to manage the colors, and I'm always go back to the inking brush to do the rest, because sometimes I put some colors on my lines. I forgot this part, guys. So now it's good. Contour of the face done. I download some new brushes and stamp. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use today. Eyelashes, eyeliner, lower eyelash. You just click on it and it appears like this, and you have to resize it. I bought it for $1 US. It was a gift, believe me, because the other brushes, the other stamp I saw was quite expensive. Check the description below for the links. You can copy and paste for the other eyebrow or just repeat the process. I did it on 2 different layers, so this is how I combine them. I'm doing the same process for the eyelashes. Here I added some lines on the eyelashes. Yeah, it's so much easier than do it from scratch. Almost done. The skin tone is much darker than the picture. I'm gonna save it and do another skin tone that match a little bit the picture. If you want this drawing, contact me on Instagram with your email and you will get it. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.